Welcome to this tutorial. In this video, I am going to demonstrate on how a managerial level approver can approve or reject any expense claim that has been created by their team members or department members. Once the user has navigated to the expenses application, he or she can view the various requests that has been submitted in their landing page. And based upon the persona, these landing pages change. And here this person can view the various requests that have been created by their team members. Now, the approval can be done in one of the two ways. First, the user can simply click on this particular card and view the details of the same and can approve or reject the same either from here, or if he needs to have a detailed view of what are the various details about this particular expense claim, he can navigate to the details view and find the attachment of any invoice that has been attached and can also approve or reject through these buttons present here. Another way of approving or rejecting is via the inbox button, where the various requests across many applications are landed in a single tab. Here, the various expense claims pending for approval are present, and the user can either approve and reject from here as well. All the previous requests that have been approved and rejected are also viewed here. Thank you for watching.